It's the red light, that's it. Is she on record now, Elena?
Okay.
Okay, so Elena is going to present.
So hello everybody, I'm Elena, and today I will teach you one of the most important concepts in microeconomics, that is the demand curve. So the demand curve is an illustration on how is the relationship between price and quantity. So I'm sorry, I'm Italian, so if sometimes I make some mistakes, just don't be afraid of asking me to repeat, okay? So I want you to draw with me this demand curve, and then we will use a practical example, so Coke. So the first thing to do is to draw two axes. So we have a vertical axis, I'm sorry, I'm very bad at drawing, and an horizontal axis. So on the vertical axis we have price. In this case we have price of Coke, okay? And on the horizontal axis we have quantity. So in this case we have the can of Coke, okay? So first of all, I want to know how many of you are willing to pay this can of Coke 20 cents. Just raise your hand. So 1, 4. 4, 4. Okay, so let's imagine that it's summer and we are thirsty, and all of us like Coke, okay? So how many of you are willing to pay 20 pence for this? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we have quantity of Coke is 10 cans, okay? So 10, and then we have a price of 20 cents. So the first point in our graph is this one, okay? So how many of you are willing to pay 50 for this Coke?
50 pence?
Yeah, 50 pence, sorry. 4?
50 pence.
5. Okay, so we have 5 for 50 pence. So we just go up and here, and we got another point, okay? So how many of you are willing to pay 60? 2. Okay, someone likes Coke. So 60. And we have 2. Okay. So how many of you are willing to pay £2 for this pen? Okay. So we have £2 is approximately here. So 1. Okay. And who is willing to pay £5?
I wanted free of charge.
Okay. Okay. So now if you connect this point, so we can use another color, we get the demand curve for Coke. Something like this, okay? So we have just derived how to draw a demand curve. So as you can see, there is a negative relationship between price and quantity. So as the price increases, the quantity decreases. Okay, so the demanded can of Coke decrease. Okay, so we can also write this as an equation. So we have the price is equal to A plus B times the quantity. Minus, okay. So as quantity increase, as price increase, quantity decrease, and vice versa, okay. And A and B are constant terms or numbers, okay. So this gives us one of the most important concepts in microeconomics. And then in the next lecture we will look at the supply curve.
Excuse me, please.
Yeah.
There is always Okay, let's say electricity. All of us need
Yeah.
the electricity.
Mm-hmm.
What of the price? Let's assume it's not coke now, it's electricity we are all looking
Yeah, so
for, because I
I'm
need it
looking in this
Oh,
case to a normal good.
okay.
So, for example, coke, but the curvature of the demand curve can be different. For example, it can be completely elastic or completely inelastic, and so be just a straight line, horizontal or vertical one. Okay, so it depends from the good. The curvature will be different for every type of good. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I hope.